At Grammatech, we do everything from basic research to end-user products. So for us, technology transition means taking research prototypes and turning them into polished products. Research worth transitioning solves an important end-user problem and needs to be delivered to the market in a form that can be widely adopted. Cutting-edge research tends to be narrow and deep, but is often best transitioned in a platform that provides many more pedestrian features than the research being transitioned. In my iceberg theory of systems, cutting-edge research is the tip of the iceberg, and the mundane aspects are the huge part below the surface of the water. Funding the mundane aspects is a major challenge in technology transition. Our greatest transition successes at Grammatech have occurred when we've done the research in the context of one of our established products. Doing research that way allows us to leverage an extensive technology base, and then, when ready to be transitioned, to make use of our product development team, our test engineers, and then when the product is finished, to deliver it to customers through our normal sales channel. We've done this repeatedly. Currently, we're readying 2 years of DHS-sponsored work on the detection of platform-specific bugs, which will ship in CodeSonar in the near future. Our research in analyzing binary executables has also been done from the get-go in the context of our established products, and that strategy has been essential in its successful transition. Our early work on machine code analysis, sponsored by DHS, was done in the context of one of our COTS products called CodeSurfer. Because CodeSonar is built on top of CodeSurfer, we have been able to transition that work into CodeSonar, where it is now delivered to customers as an extension that supports the analysis of projects that are a mixture of source and binary code. It's invaluable to have an early and clear vision of how your research, if successful, will be delivered to end users, and to choose a platform for the research accordingly. Consider possible synergies between your new research and your existing technology base and product line, and recognize that when delivered, the product will involve a lot more than just that research. Seek ways in which existing capabilities of the platform you've chosen can amplify the value of your new research, and vice versa. The government can accelerate technology transition by identifying basic research breakthroughs earlier and channeling accelerated funds to obvious stars earlier. Something I think the government could do that would accelerate transition would be to provide a mechanism for greater continuity between the different categories of R&D, basic research, applied research, technology development, etc. In theory, successful research migrates from basic to applied to technology development, but in practice, I think researchers themselves tend to stay within a single category. So, for example, university professors do basic research, government laboratory people do applied research, etc. So some mechanism that would provide greater mobility for those researchers who would like to participate in the transition and move from one category to another with associated increases in funding level would, I think, be beneficial. Our most successful transitions have been a direct result of the quality of the research, the polish of the finished product, and our persistent dedication to our vision and our business goals.